In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix web camera not working in Zoom. If you've opened Zoom in your web browser and you're seeing a message that your webcam can't start or isn't available, the most common cause is a browser permission that's blocking camera access. The good news is this is quick to fix, and you don't need to install anything. We'll simply review the site permission, turn the camera on for Zoom, and refresh the page so the change takes effect. First, look at the Zoom tab where the error appears. This is your confirmation that the browser hasn't granted camera access. When that happens, the place to fix it is right in your browser's address bar area. Move your cursor to the very left side of the URL, where you'll see the site information icon. Depending on your browser, this might look like a small lock, a shield, or an information bubble. Click that icon to open the site information panel. In the panel that opens, you'll see a list of permissions that this site can use. Find the option labeled Camera. If it shows blocked, off, or ask, switch it to allow or toggle it on. Some browsers show a small drop-down. Others use a switch. Either way, you want the setting that clearly grants camera access to this site. If you also notice a prompt asking whether to allow the camera for this session, choose Allow. This change only affects the Zoom website in your current browser and won't enable your camera for other sites. After you've allowed the camera, the change won't fully apply until you reload the page. Look for a reload button in the permission panel, or simply refresh the Zoom tab. If the browser offers to reload for you, accept it. When the page comes back, Zoom should request camera access again. Confirm the prompt by selecting Allow. Now, return to your Zoom meeting view. Your preview should appear, or the error should clear. If you still see a prompt, click Allow one more time to finalize the permission. Give it a moment. Some cameras take a second to initialize. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. If another tab or app is actively using your camera, close it so Zoom can take control. Also, if you switch browsers later, you'll need to repeat this permission in that new browser, since these settings are saved per site and per browser. That's it. By opening the Site Information panel, turning the camera permission on, and reloading the page, you've restored your webcam in Zoom's web client.